last time I went to Albuquerque, I made a video like this where I showed kind of the, so it says level 1 is open. Actually, you know what, let's go to the final one. But yeah, last time I went to Albuquerque, I made a video like this where I drove. I actually parked in the economy, but it's literally completely full. So we're gonna try our luck at this. Okay, so that did not take long. I found a place to park right here. And now we're gonna go to the airport and we're heading to Albuquerque. It's a straight flight. It's gonna be all dark because it's evening. And this, the weather today has been cloudy, so don't know how bad or good this is gonna be, but we're gonna see what we can do. Let's go. This is where people get picked up normally, I believe. Yeah, see all these sorts of things. Shuttles, taxis, Ubers, that's the other thing. I'm gonna go print out some boarding passes. Because Mason and Camden like them. And with that, hey Mason, hey Camden. Okay, we checked in. That's the south side of the airport. That's all the regular TSA. Way over there is where I'm going for TSA pre. It's kind of funny down here. I saw this, a dinosaur. Not sure what's up with that, but kind of funny. That's where people come up when they get something just entered my throat. That's where people come up after they come back for their landing, you know? Okay, so this is where I need to go. Look how slow that is. And because it's Colorado, I gotta show you a dog. They're always here. You always see a dog. So that's where all the international people come. It's a huge line, people waiting right now. I've never seen that before. All right, made it through. Time to get on our train. Might go get a milkshake. I'm feeling like getting some extra calories I shouldn't, you know? There we go. Oh man, the bag is super heavy. Is it on the check? Or luggage, whatever. Alright, let's go check our flight, check our gate. I really don't know what gate it is. I got some notification about it. Honestly, forget. This is the very first flight all the way up there. So B37 on time. Flight 1926. B37. It's gonna be to our right over here. Hey, perfect. Shake Shack's over here. That's where I was thinking about going and getting a shake. Okay, got a shake. Cost me $7, and it's pre-made, so it's like not very ice creamy. It's very liquidy. Whatever. So that's where I went down the escalator, filled up my water here. B37 is literally right here. But what concerns me is that it says on the little marquee thing up here that it's Vancouver. So I need to go make sure what happened to my flight. But there's my answer. Next departure, Albuquerque. I guess Vancouver just left. As I was trying to find a place to sit, literally, our plane's coming in right here. So, that's my seat. So, this is a 787 or 737-800. Pretty sure it's the 800, not the 900. You can barely see the engine here. Yeah. I probably won't get a lot because of all the reflection, but obviously lots of room.
Oh yeah. My first time for savings, and he's been off for a little over a month. We're giving him a little crap.
Oh yeah. There's a little exhibit right there, head starting strong. It's weird, there's something going on here or something. Cover things up. Hot air balloons. Do I know you?
No, I don't know. I thought you were video.
No. It's funny, some people realize that you're filming and some people don't. They wanted to be a part of the video. That's great. That's what I'm talking about though. See that big screen? Bucket list. Alright, going outside. This is where you pick up your ride right here. 7 to 8. Apparently there's some shuttles for Sheridan. That's how long it takes to get an Uber. You would think small city, not a big deal. I think my guy's that guy right there. Okay, so I'm going to my room. I have a rule about hotels. If you ever have to say what it is in the name of your establishment, like Comfort Suites, normally it's not that, like America's Best Inn. Oh, this doesn't look too bad though. I think I'm going to do what I did for the video from, for me it was last week. I don't know when you're watching this, but the video I did for Connecticut and even Utah. I'll show you what I'm doing tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the University of New Mexico. I think they're playing Wyoming. All right, I told you guys I'd bring you along. So this is the stadium I'm working at. Brian Urlacher is from the University of New Mexico. This is a truck I'm in. Yeah, this is where they'll give us like little snacks, water we can have throughout the day if we get hungry or thirsty. And I just work straight up in here. Let's walk in. I don't know if anybody's in here right now. I think there are because we should be working. Yeah, this is my spot. I'm grabbing lunch there, and I thought I would come out here. It's kind of cool. See the whole field here. It's kind of a weird weather day. It's kind of raining, but I think it's going to stop. Normally you can see like mountains back here and it's really pretty. You can kind of see them. But yeah. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to hit like. And if you want to see more videos like it in the future, hit subscribe. And yeah, take flight.